Hello, my name is Martin, also known as Mr. No. I want to talk to you about how to make an app. Picture this. You're hanging out at a friend's place, passing around a bowl of popcorn and with a soda in another hand, watching an interesting flick that you wanted to watch for ages. And suddenly, an idea strikes in your mind out of the blue. What if you could send instant notifications to your pals about your activity so maybe they could join in? Believe it or not, this simple anecdote actually describes the origins of WhatsApp. Many of us are searching for the next million or billion-dollar idea, and surprisingly, the real challenge building an app is not the idea itself, but I have an idea, now what do I do? Jotting down a novel idea for an application is not the same as writing a manuscript for a play where you have to keep the reader engaged at every scene. In fact, app ideas can be driven by your needs. Before you answer the now what conundrum, it's best to create a rough plan for your vision and polish your idea. A well-structured plan for making an app will address the following points. 1. The app's unique selling point, or USP. What purpose does it serve? What is the ultimate solution being offered by your service? Does it facilitate communication, provide entertainment, help students manage their study hours, or assist patients to keep track of their medical dosage? 2. Know your competition. Nobody likes knockoffs, right? Before finalizing an idea, research extensively and make sure what the market for the service looks like. And 3. Say hello to the customers. Consider the demographics of customers who will download your app. Are they children, teens, adults, or senior citizens? Are they married, single, or looking for a relationship? Are they willing to pay for an app? And 4. Rolling in the ka-ching. Define a monetization strategy, in-app purchases, ads, sponsorships, data monetization. Find out how exactly you can make your app a profitable venture. And the 5th point you need in your plan to develop your app is to paint your vision. No, I don't mean to paint like the Mona Lisa, but at least draw a rough sketch of what it is it's going to look like, and take input from friends or colleagues, anyone you think who is competent in this field, and or find your potential users and get their input to fine-tune your idea. So now you have a plan in hand with your 5 steps. Now what do? Well, app development is tricky. And the right outcome takes patience, skills, and expertise, which is why it is best to leave this part to the professionals. There are a plethora of app design agencies in the market, but the tricky part is to find the one that is right for you. Explore the market and shortlist agencies that have a successful track record. You can even plan an initial meeting to figure out how the agency responds to your needs and plans to take your idea further. If you do not already have experts hired within your organization, it is advisable to look for an agency that offers a flexible one-stop solution which offers consultation, strategy, user experience design, web design, and app development, as well as online marketing, analytics, and maintenance of your digital strategy. Let code think and let design speak, and focus on your strategy. If you're interested in working with my full service digital agency, write me an email at mail@mrno.design.